जो करंट आज की चंद्रमा के
Hello everyone. I'm audible. Am I audible? Okay, note 9. Please write your names as your this one. Yeah. See, congratulations to all of you. We have landed on moon properly. Today I brought with me my Windows system. Okay. We can start, right? First of all, congratulations to all of you for success of Chandrayaan 3. Hope all of you have seen the landing. Thank you, Sanjona. Okay. So today, majorly, we'll have two things to do. One is we'll create demo devices for our setup, and second, we will go for second. The second point will be we'll create the Raspberry Pi virtual setup. Anyone who is having Raspberry Pi does have to skip that part and directly bring out the SSH screen. Okay. Okay. So yesterday we ended up with pub test. Sorry. Edit with idle. I don't have the habit of using idle. That is the main scenario. Amar, my voice is okay today?
Yes, it's okay.
Yeah.
Loud and clear.
Okay. So yesterday we were doing this. LWT we have put up. Okay. Publish and we've gone chat. We'll create. So today we'll create some dummy devices. I will show you how to create the dummy devices, which will behave just like our own device. Okay. Was our this one? Just a second. Client. Have you guys tried different things with MQTT? Chats, let me see. But we want you to speak a little louder. Okay. Wait. I will do some setting changes. Let me see. You can do something here. I will not be able to speak more louder than this. I don't know where I can increase. Just a second. Pause caption settings. Where are the settings? Wait, just a second. Increase the font size. Yeah, font size I will increase. Don't worry. Don't worry about the font size now. When it will be important, you will definitely see it. Enable annotation, hide, share sound, optimize video clip, meeting info. Share sound to whom? No, I should not share this, I think. Just a second, guys. I think I'm not able to do anything here. This one. Oh, okay. Fine. I will try to speak louder. I think now it's clear to you, guys. Just give me a thumbs up if it is, or just tell me yes or no on the in the chat. So we will increase this one to something bigger. Okay, so here, what was our broker which we were using? Not this one. 8. It was this 52 dot. Yeah. So also have to increase the font, right? In edit, I have to go format options, I think, configure ID. Yeah. It's okay, everyone. You want bigger font. I will make it more bigger. 30. This is very much high. 29 is okay. Yeah, this looks okay. Okay. Thank you. Loud and clear. Okay. So let us look into this now. So what we are planning to do is we are planning to create 2 devices which will replicate our own device, which we have created yesterday. That is your so let us keep this like this. Here we will leave this will set. Will set will not use today. Connect is okay. Publish, we were publishing in sensor. Okay. Now the data which we like to publish will be in some format. So we'll use a format which is in JSON. That is your temperature, or we should make a simple JSON file. Okay, wait. We'll create a JSON object because see, finally, when you are writing complex devices, na, you have to send the payload in some format, and in most cases, we use JSON for that. You guys know JSON, right? And the code MQTT link is there 52.204.21.160. And this is test client cloud test client dash cloud dot mqtt dot cool. I'll just copy paste it. And broker ID is this one. This is your broker ID. This is your web client. Okay. You can use the web client also. You can use the subscribe.py also, whichever one you want to use. How many of you know what is JSON? Who all don't know what is JSON? Just ping me so that I can understand how much I should explain. Okay. Okay, I understood. So JSON is a data format used with JavaScript. So what I will do is I will open the normal idle first. Normal idle, how I should open. And we'll run a little bit code so that you understand what is JSON. Okay. Open your idle. right? Import JSON. See, I will not go deep into this. You can go through JSON. JSON is a very common topic. Just read about it. What is JSON? How to? What is the format in which it is said? I will just simply give you. It is something like your dictionary. It is something like this. X is equal to, let's say, single inverted commas inside. So this one we are writing a dictionary. Huh? Let's say X, or I should say sensor is equal to SEN is we have one key which is, let's say, temperature. Let's say we will start with ID, dev ID. Okay, dev ID is your first thing. This I'm giving you ID. It is test 01 is our first device ID. Okay, then we have something like it has temperature. We'll write it as temp, and the temperature is, I should write 22.00. Humidity it has, which is again, let's say 60.00. And anything else is there? Temperature, humidity. Yeah. Also add a timestamp to this later on. I think you know what is timestamp. Just a second, everyone. Okay, so I will keep it like this only for now. Later on, we'll add timestamps and things like that. That will be more relevant. Okay. After this, what we do is we have two major functions: dumps, loads. So let's say we create this data format called JSON format dot loads. When you convert a dictionary to a JSON object, JSON object is similar to your dictionary, but not exactly that. Dictionary is for only Python. JSON format is accessible by any code language. All code language has some library. So let's print this out. You can see the inverted commas are different here. And if we call it like this, y, y, let's say we put it as dev ID. So, okay, you can get the values like this. Everyone is clear with this? I will write another example here. Oh, the backspace doesn't work. So here, let's say we put temp. Okay, so y can be accessed for each and every key. So this dev ID is the key and test 01 is the value. Temperature is the key. Temperature is the value and temperature is the key and 2.22.0 is the value. Humidity is the key, 60.0 is the value. Okay. So this is your normal JSON. And again, when we convert this, say JSON dot dumps, which converts your JSON data to your object. So if I do here now, let's say type, type bracket mein y. So y will be a JSON object. It's a dictionary class here. Similarly, if we do type, not type. If I do JSON dot dumps for y. Okay, you can see it has come back to the original form. What was sense? Sen and this is same. It's mainly the inverted commas which are different here. Huh? That's the only difference. Not much. Not much more than that. Okay. Now, if you want to see a type of this, also the type will be same only, because Python this doesn't differentiate between the two. So this becomes a string. So this becomes a string, and this becomes a dictionary type. Okay. So we'll use loads for this one and dumps to send it. Okay. So let's work this around for our code. We'll do import JSON. What error it's showing, Harsh? You can follow the same things. You will not find any error. You have done import JSON. I was doing it in idle. You can see the steps. Okay. Okay. Now let's go back to our main code and try to create something from this. Okay. So let's work this around. We'll use something like this only. Copy paste this. Okay. Now it will become y or send data is equal to JSON dot loads, and in bracket we'll have send. Okay. Okay. So now we'll get this as here, but we want to do this, want to publish this on a regular basis. Okay. So let us create a random value object, because we want our device to behave like a real device. So it will change the temperature. So we'll keep the temperature range from 20 to 25 and humidity range from 55 to 65. Okay. So for this, we'll use the random module. Just a sec. So we want to create a float value. We have to see random float value we want, right? That's the second, guys. Random float. So first need to import the module. These are all modules which are there already. So we'll write it as import random. Okay. Now here in place of what we'll do is send data. Send data. Then I want temperature, right? Temp will be equal to random. Wait, it will be equal to random dot random.uniform. Okay, in the bracket of what we said 20.00 to 25.00, not 00, single digit. Okay, this is your random temperature. Now similarly we'll get the random humidity also. See the code properly, and write down wherever I'm doing changes. Let's do it not humidity, fully big, HUM. Okay, I'll copy paste the code again, so don't worry about it. So here we'll write it from 50 to 70, 50 or 55 to 65. That is it. Okay, this is your data. Now this changes your send data object. Now we'll cut this up from here and paste it before publish. And this publish will put it in a while loop. We'll just make it big. While true, we have to indent these. I give 4 spaces for my indentation. Okay. After this, we'll give some delay so that this happens properly. So I'm also importing time dot sleep is the function for delay. Let's say every 5 seconds. Okay, every 5 seconds it will be delayed. We'll have random values coming to Anirban sensor, and the payload is send underscore data. But the problem here is that payload should be string always. If it is number also, we have to convert it to string. So to convert the JSON loads to string, what we need to do is we need to do JSON dot dumps and sensor data should be inside. No sound coming. Everybody is not able to hear me. Guys, you are able to hear me? Got a message, no sound coming. Amar, I'm audible. Hello. I'm audible. Yes, sir. Audible, not loud. Okay. It's okay now. I should be able to. My headphones. These are okay. How to increase the sound of the mic? I don't know. Anyone can help me how to increase the sound? Amar, can you let me know how I can do that from my control? I'm not very well versed with Windows normally. Amar, can you hear me? Okay, I will be louder and near to the mic in the meantime. Okay, so we have done JSON.dumps, and I think this should work. Okay, so let me see. I will save this and do a control F. I will save this first, control S, and then I will do a F5 to run this. Attribute JSON has no attribute. Dumps. I'm writing it wrong, everyone. Wait just a second. Arre, written dump. It would be dumps. DUMPS. Sorry, guys. It would be DUMPS, not dumps. You're dumping the data. The data is not dumb. Okay, this time it should work. Let's see. It will not print anything. Okay, wait, let me make it print also. That will be better. I will do a print here. Send underscore data को print कराना है. Okay. Yes. Now, if you subscribe, oh, it is coming too many. Okay, no issues for us. It is okay. Let us see. We will do it here. What was our so 5 2. I'm again writing this. Yesterday we have done this already, so I think you guys will be able to do connect. Okay, I'm doing it on urban dash hash. I'm doing simply so that we can subscribe as a wildcard. My data should be here in some time. Here it is. Okay. Yes, new data has come. V5, yeah, I'm getting it here. You guys also will be getting it here. Check it out. Okay. Everyone is fine. You are able to get this data? Yes. So next we'll add a timestamp to the data so that when we see the data, we know exactly how and where it is. So we have already imported time. So let us check it out first. The ideal shell will do import time. We are just testing import time. This is called time.time. I don't know, it will give an epoch or which way it will give. Yeah, it is giving an epoch. So I think epoch is not good. Let's say date time we do. And so we have to import date time. Date time, not data time. Import date time. Oh, see this here. Import date time I have done. Enter. Enter import date time. So import date time, if you want to get the date time dot date time, you have to do time dot now. So it will give you current time. Okay. Now, if you want to see it in a proper way, how to see it in a proper way? It is dot timestamp. If we make this like this, date time now, if we take this and we make it, let's say current time CT is equal to date time, then CT dot timestamp we have to do. No, this gives you this one. Just a second. Current time should be date time dot now. I've done something wrong. Date time dot now. I should do date time dot now. I think this should also work. Just a second. I'm getting the epoch here on. Just a minute, guys. Let me just check out which is the best way. The formatting is very idiotic here. Just check it out once. I'm trying in my system. Once it is done, I will We want the time in, not in epoch. Date time from timestamp. So it is date time dot from. Not convinced. Date time. Getting it properly. I'm not enjoying it. Wait, just a second. Guys, give me 1 minute. I'm just looking at date time directly docs. How this works around is it gives you not getting a timestamp type of format for this. Anyone who has worked on timestamp? Anyone here? dt.dt.now. That's what I did here. Date time now, but I'm not getting it from this. I'm getting this, and I don't want this format. Or wait 1 second. I will just do it. I will save it to something and see. TS equal to TS is what? No, that is date time only. I don't want that. I want only the timestamp. Okay. Date time to date time. यहाँ पे TS dot. Yeah, they're saying it like this, but I'm not getting. Let's say from date time, I will write it like this: date time import date time. Okay. From it doesn't go back. Idle really sucks. Just a second. Yes. Date time dot date time dt is equal to date time dot now. Okay. Then if I print dt, what it would be? Yes, right. I was not printing TS before. Let me see. Print TS will give me the same thing, I think. My mistake. Print. Print TS. My mistake. Totally my mistake. I can do it simply like this and then take a TS from here. Okay, guys, here we are getting the data properly. Now let me add one more thing here as TS. Okay, so we'll add to this send underscore data. Data. This will be TS. There will be a new addition in this, and this will be equal to time now. I'm importing date and time. Import date time. Okay, this import is done. Now we have a device ID here. We have a timestamp. The timestamp should come before, so it will be better. It doesn't matter actually. It will be always added at the end. So I'm saving this and I'm restarting this one. And again starting it. As this should close. And here I'm doing F5 by running it. What is the thing? There is no serializable. Okay, wait. Okay. Type error, not serializable. JSON date time. Okay, I got it here. I will make it a string. We'll typecast this to string so that it becomes a proper string. Okay. Yes. Now we are getting this TS also, and in our this one also we should get the TS in our data points. Yes, we are getting a timestamp now, so we exactly know what's the time at which the data is going, and we have this device ID as 01. So this is our first device. We'll rename this as dev1 dot I have to write, I think. Okay, I will copy paste this and I will create a new file. I will paste this. I will save that new file as dev2. Everyone is following here. I will just write it as test2 and save. Guys, you are able to follow. So we have created two devices. One is test1, one is test2. Okay, and this test2, let's have something extra here or something different. This will be our, let's say, temperature and humidity. Temperature will be there. In place of humidity, we'll have something else. Let's say we have, or let's say we have pH. pH will be 7.1. Little bit more. So this hum will become pH. Okay. And this will be between 3.0 to 9. The pH between 3.0 to 9 is okay. We'll have another value here called EC. You know what is pH, everyone, right? So I'm mimicking a water quality. I'm mimicking a water quality sensor here, device. So we'll also have TDS. TDS, you know, total dissolved solid. This gives you the value of what is the, this is close to 1.0. And this will be randomized. You guys are sending me. Not able to see. You are doing it in mobile. Import time, C time. Okay, this is also good. Anyway, just if you can do anything else and put it, there are a lot many ways in which we can put the timestamp. So it's okay. I mean, good work. Okay. So let us see it different way. Device to what we were doing. We added TDS here. Okay, and here we are putting up random pH was the random TDS also put. TDS is between 0.5 to 2. They're just random values. They relate to real life sensors because normally in normal conditions you will not get more than things than this. Okay, under one sensor pe jayega, device test 2. Let us save this and do F5. Okay, so here the issue is that we cannot do more than one, right? Okay, so we'll stop running this idle. I think I don't want this to run. Okay, what we'll do is we'll run it through our command prompt. Not this one. We'll start another command prompt. This is useful something else. just open your command prompt and find wherever you are writing this. Go to that path. For me, it will be D. So I have to first go to D drive. Okay. Then I have to go where? I have to go here somewhere. Okay. CD space. I have to remove the D drive here. Yes, I'm inside this. Acha, this code is somewhere here. Okay, so I'm going to CD pops up Python. Okay, inside this we have our dev1 Python dev1. Okay, it has started running. Similarly, we'll open another command prompt so that they all can run parallelly. That's the idea. What was this? This was D drive. I'm going to my D drive. This is only for me. Your paths can be different. CD and just check out your paths properly. Okay. Now I have to go to CD. Pops up Python. Okay. And this I will run dev1. I have run there. No? Python dev. Not one, dev2 is also there. Okay, so now we'll get both the values in a separate way. One will have temperature, humidity, other will have temperature, pH, and TDS. Why TDS we are not getting random data? Let us check out the code. Achha, we have not written anything random for it is pH only. Sorry, TDS. Save. So I have to break that code again. This is the one. Let's see. Yes, now it's okay. Now we are getting all random values. Everybody is able to follow. I will just copy paste both the programs. This is your dev2 on the chat. I will do that. We are also able to do in idle. Both together you are able to do. I don't think so. I'm not able to do both together. If you can, one idle is only opening. I have to open another idle. I don't know. You can do it there also. For me, command prompts are better. Okay. So this is your dev2. Okay. Now dev1 is here. The first one is dev2. The second one is dev. This is dev1. Okay. Wait. So this, the first one is dev1. Second one is dev2. Everybody got it? Just run both the things and check out your MQTT cool here. You are able to see the data in a live manner. The timestamp for the web page is 13. So this is actually running in UTC mode. UTC is 5.5 hours ahead of us. Okay. Everybody is able to follow. You are able to create. You are able to create this. Okay. Now everybody has downloaded this QEMU. Everybody has. I've given a link yesterday to everyone. Come on, guys, you have not downloaded this. the Raspberry Pi virtual machine. You have downloaded this. I've given you the links. I think I will be having this here. Broker. Wait 1 second. Read me this one. I'll send you the links also, guys. This will be your package. Everybody has got this? Guys, please reply. Everybody has this QMU no image? I will share the URL for this if you have not done that. I'm just showing you up how to install. If you click on this, you will get this download. Click here, and in some time this download will start. Everyone is able to follow? Please click on this link and go to this download. Everybody is able to follow, please. I've shared these yesterday. Okay. Once downloaded, extract it, it will show something like this. There will be a QEMU folder, there will be a README folder, there will be a run folder. Okay. I will give you a command here first. You don't have to click on the badge. So the problem, everyone please listen carefully. The problem is that if I click on the run button, then what happens? My terminal or my CMD opens, but in that, I will just paste this here. And I will increase the font size. Just a second, everyone. In edit, in format, in font, yeah. Increase the font to 20. So what happens whenever you are clicking on this run? Whenever you are clicking on this run, there will be a CMD coming up and this kind of a this your QM system.arm exe dot something like this will be written there, and there will be a prompt which will be starting up. Now the problem with that prompt is it will open up your Raspberry Pi, but it will create a Raspberry Pi VM. But the problem remains that that VM will not be able to communicate with any external or to your host system even. To make it communicatable, we have to add this redirect redar TCP : 2222.2222. I will just copy paste that, don't worry. So this is here somewhere. I will give you this file itself. Just a second. README file. Just a second. This is here. Okay. In this file, whatever is written after this QEMU, this part you have to copy. This part you have to copy and go to your folder, this one. You are inside this QEMU, inside QEMU, you have to go inside this. This is your location. You have to come to this. See, I have come here. Training, IoT training, QEMU, QEMU, QEMU. Okay. And I will paste this here. Just a second. I will just copy this. And enter. See, this booting up starts. This is my Raspberry Pi booting up. Don't click on the run directly. Okay, otherwise it will not be able to communicate with your host system and will not be able to communicate anything with the Raspberry Pi setup. If anyone has original Raspberry Pi, they can simply do a SSH and wait for my instruction until we reach there. You are able to follow, everyone? After once this Raspberry Pi config comes, bring your arrow key to SSH. Bring your, everyone be careful, bring your arrow to SSH. Everybody is able to follow. Guys, please message, you are able to follow. Come to Raspberry config. In that you bring down your cursor like this to SSH. Enter, press enter. It says, would you like the SSH server to be enabled or disabled? The red mark is on enable only, so just press enter. And it will say SSH server enabled. You said okay. Now press the right arrow key. It will come to select, then again go to finish. Press that again 2 times and enter. So it's done. You are again back to the SSH. So this is your SSH. This is SSH terminal. You can write all commands here. Python Raspberry Pi, like your Windows has a CMD, Raspberry Pi has a SSH, or we call it terminal, and we are accessing this terminal using SSH. Okay, or this is the direct terminal. We'll do SSH later on. Till this, everybody is clear? What we did is we went to the extracted. This one. Inside that we went to. So when we extract QEM, we have to get inside this. We have to get this path on our Windows CMD. We have to type this like this and enter. My Raspberry Pi will come up and we have to do the SSH enabling. Okay, everyone. Everybody is getting this pi@raspberry pi prompt. You are getting, everyone. I will just write the clear command here so that it becomes clear. Yeah. Okay, guys. In your command prompt, you have to come to this space and do the things. Okay, guys, we'll take a 10 minutes break now. In the meantime, everybody come to this situation. If you're not able to, please message. I will guide you through. Come to this Raspberry Pi VM update. Cool, Sanjay. Nice. If anybody is having issue, let me know. We'll meet at 7:10. Okay, we'll meet at 7:10. If you have any issue, please message. We'll help you out to get to this. So we have installed a Raspberry Pi VM and we'll access this VM outside. See, this VM actually behaves like a real SSH. I've downloaded but not able to open terminal. Where are you stuck, Harsh? If you have downloaded, I will show you the process. If you are downloading it, like here, if you extract it here, extract here. Once you extract, it will look like this. Extract here, if you do, it will look like this. QEMU, 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 QEMU. Now this is the path you have to go. This is your path. So on your terminal, on your CMD, write CMD on your start. After start button, write CMD. Inside CMD, come to the same path in which your folder is. QEMU folder, last QEMU folder is. Go to that and then copy paste this. I have shared a file. Copy paste this part and enter. You will get the Raspberry Pi starting up. And then you have to do SSH enable. I have shown you that. Guys, if you are joining late or if you're not hearing me out, then I will request you all to go to the YouTube video and see it backwards. Okay, I cannot repeat this every time because how to go to CMD, just go to the start menu and write CMD. I will not be able to repeat it every time if you join in midway. If you're joining in midway, please go through the sir, is that path if we type CMD also it works? Is in that path if we type no, why you will type CMD in that path? You have to go to that path CD, what to do in CMD. I have told Ayush already. I don't know you are hearing it or not. This is not done here. Okay, so inside CMD, I'm just writing it here once and for all. Huh? Okay, inside CMD, what you will do? You will be write D : enter. Okay, you will come to sorry D or whatever is your path. If it is in a different drive, if it's in the same drive, it's okay. If it's in a different drive, you have to do D capital. Let's say for me, it was in a D drive and I was in C drive majorly. So I entered D. After that, I went to CD, my full path, enter. Okay, this is your path, huh? Full path. Inside the last QEMU folder, you have to go till that. And after that you have to just simply paste this. Simply paste this and enter. And after that, enable, select SSH and enable. Enter. This is in the Raspberry config. Okay. Okay, Sanjay, that's okay. You can do that. Yeah, I'm already in break. Whoever is having issues, just let me know. I will keep on talking. You guys take a break in the meantime. Okay. A nice shortcut. Okay. Okay, guys. Give me some time. Around 7:10, we'll join back. Hello everyone. I'm back. You all are able to run this? Anyone having issues? Okay. So now okay, nice. Okay. Let's go to paint and do something. Okay, so what is the configuration? Everyone, we can start. You guys are ready? Say something, dear. See, I'm not able to see you guys. If you don't message also, how I will know? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, good. Nice. So, what is the configuration we are looking at and how we are virtualizing it? So first we have to understand this configuration. So here what is happening, if I make this, oh, this is pathetic. So we have this as, oh, really bad happening. Wait. This is your, we don't have any A here. This dev1. Oh, too big. Okay. Just a second. Now, after that, this is your dev2. Okay. This is my Raspberry Pi VM. I will write it as RPi, okay, as short form. Wait. RPi, for me, it is VM. It's a virtual machine, but you can have the real one also. So this is actually the gateway. So these two full outline. Okay. traveling both sides, huh? So I'm just writing that. No, it's not working very properly. Okay. I have more arrows. Double-sided arrows I don't have. Okay. No issues. Okay, guys. So these D1 and D2 is communicating with the gateway, and this gateway is going to communicate to your cloud. Okay. Or I should say IoT cloud. So for the purpose of this training, what we will do is Dev 1 and Dev 2 is we are able to simulate it with your two devices. They are sending exactly same type of data as my sensor can send. Everybody is clear with that. D1 and D2 are two codes we are running, but they are actually simulating my device data. The way my device sends data, D1, D2 is also sending data. Everybody is clear with that. This simulation is clear to everyone. I want more number of yeses. I have around 230 people. Yeah, you can guys, please let me know. Any doubt in that? D1 and D2 is actually simulating my device data. And when I run D1, D2, exactly like that only the VM is getting the data. Any doubt in that? Anyone? Okay. Now, inside your Raspberry Pi, and what will be your IoT cloud? We will make this IoT cloud as your system itself. So your system will simulate the IoT cloud. We are running a VM on your system, which is simulating the RPi gateway. We are running two codes which are simulating device D1 and D2. Am I clear with this configuration, everyone? Any doubts? Anyone? If you have any doubts, please let me know right away. D1 and D2 are two Python codes which are simulating your devices. RPi VM is running, which is simulating a gateway. IoT cloud will run on the system itself. So it will work like that. So now you see this is your Raspberry Pis. Direct, if you go inside this directly, you are getting this. Okay. Headless, if you run a headless, this one. But because this is normally in a remote scenario or it is not nearby. So from our system, we will do a SSH. Okay, SSH we will do and we'll connect to this VM. Okay, let's see. For that we need something called putty. Just download this. Just search for PUTTY. Putty installation. Yeah, download putty, this one. Copy link. Raspberry Pi logging details. Okay, logging details. Raspberry Pi login is username is Pi. So first you have to write Pi and then password is Raspberry. Okay. Here you need to download according to your this one. Okay. If you are running an x86, that is normally 64-bit, go to this installer, or 32-bit, go to this installer. Nobody is using ARM, I guess. Okay. Installed. Putty installed, everyone. Everyone has installed putty. I will open my putty now. It looks something like this. I cannot increase its size. Here you can see host name. It is written host name. See, because what we have done now. Okay. If anybody is left with putty, just let me know. I will go ahead and talk on the other part of it. Okay, so if you are not done yet, please write. If you are done, you don't have to do anything. If you are not done with putty installation and this putty configuration is not coming to your place, please let me know. I'm giving 1 or 2 minutes for that. Everyone, please download and let me know if you are unable to download. Once this putty configuration comes, what to explain in the download? You have three options here: 62, 64-bit x86, which normally will be your MSI. Now 32-bit if you're having an old system, and if you are using Chrome or any other Chrome ARM based. I don't think so you are using ARM based. So x86, 64-bit x86 will be most of the cases. If you are using an old laptop, 32-bit x86. Okay, putty config should come like this. Everybody is getting it? I'm going ahead. Okay, so in place of the host name, you write local host. Why local host? Otherwise, what will happen if you are normally having a real-time Raspberry Pi, then you can check out your router and check at what IP address your Raspberry Pi is, and you have to write that IP address for the SSH. Okay, here if you see this code, this one here, we have done this. We have converted the TCP to 2222. Normally it is on only 2. We have made it 2222. Okay, we have redirected it. Otherwise, our system and this will have a conflict. That's the only reason. There's no other reason. If you are having an original Raspberry Pi, you have to directly write the IP address in place of host name, and in port you will write 22. But we are using a virtual one, so we are writing 2222, 4 times 2, and we'll do open. Here it will ask for yes. You have to press yes. Here it will say login as pi, pi. Localhost, what is the password? Password is RAS. 1 second. Login as, it will be written. This will be pi. Okay. And for password, it will ask you write RASPBERRY. Yes, password is Raspberry. Okay, see, we are inside this Raspberry Pi. So this is actually SSH we have done from our local system to the VM running. So this is your VM and this is your local system. Both are same. But we'll always do a virtual or SSH and we'll go inside and work around. Okay. Everybody is clear with this? I can increase or I can zoom the screen anyway. Other than this I cannot zoom anymore. QEMU is your virtual environment for Raspberry Pi. You don't have a Raspberry Pi. If you have a Raspberry Pi, you can directly use it. If you don't have it, you can simulate it to understand the configuration in which we want to work. See, our configuration is this. These two are devices. You can have real-time devices also. You can have a real Raspberry Pi gateway also, and you can have a real cloud also. But for the sense of this training, we are using, because you all have to write the code and understand the philosophy. We'll do dev 1. We are making a simulated code for it. Dev 2, we have made a simulated code for it. RPi gateway, we have made a VM for it, and we are accessing that from the device. Okay. So if it was a real Raspberry Pi also, you will get a same kind of, sir, please control plus scroll up. This will not scroll up, I think. No, it is not. This is RPi. This is not happening there. Okay. I'm doing that. I don't like this SSH at all, but can't help it. This is a window SSH, can't help it more than this. Okay. I will also write, let's say, whatever I'm writing. Okay. Whatever I will write here, I will write there here also. Okay. So that you guys understand. So now, next, what we will do is our next task is install MQTT broker on Raspberry. Okay. This is our method. So for that, what we are doing, this broker name is MOSQUITTO. Just a second, guys. I will just open my dev list. Yeah, this. So we will do a mosquito install like this. sudo space, inside this VM you have SSH you have to write, sudo space apt install -y MOSQUITTO. Okay, I will just do that. I will copy paste this here. Okay. Sudo apt command is not found. Okay. Second, sudo. Yes, sudo apt get we have to write, not apt will not work. Okay. Sudo apt get. Unable to fetch the archive, run. Okay, we have to do some upgrade. So let's do that. We will do sudo apt get update. Okay, let's do that. Let's run this command one more time. It will take some time. Let it finish. Not much upgrade happening. Okay, let me see. It will upgrade for some time. Okay. What happened? I will just cancel it one more time. Okay. Now let me see. I have again tried to do apt get install -5 mosquito. Let us see, the problem is with y without for such a remove the y. -y is not required. No issues. This one's. Yes. Unable to fetch. What is the issue? Again, it's saying to run update. Let me run update and update together. Just a second. Let me try this out. Sudo apt. Let's see. So do it sudo apt get update and upgrade. Yeah, I've done that. But my mosquito is not getting installed. Let's see. This time it should get. Yes. I'm not getting this actually. Some issue with the network. You guys are able to install mosquito? Anyone? Anyone here is able to do it? Maybe some issue with my system. So we have installed another mirror. What mirror you have installed? Sanjay, can you let me know what mirror you have installed here? Which mirror? I also think so. It should not work. Just a second. Let me see from. Okay, how should I put this in this? Wait 1 second. Okay. Getting UK mirror error is there. There is no mirror director. Change the mirror. Just a second, guys. Just a second. I will just check my mirrors and then I will come to. Make sure this mirror is working. What I'm doing here. Wait. I have to do a sudo terminal list. And see apt source list. What you are doing? Yeah. Sudo nano apt. That's what I'm typing. I will just type that down. No issues. We are writing that only. Just a second. Let me first. It's a bullseye mean you are writing. Let me see if I write the bullseye one or not. No, it will be Visi only. Bullseye we cannot do. It's Visi. It's not bullseye. I will do an upgrade first. Yeah. Let me try this bullseye also. Wait. It should work with busy only, not bullseye. Should work with this. Let me see. Once I'm done, I will let you guys know. Upgrade update is happening. No, same issue. Yeah, I understand that you are using that. That's why you are using bullseye. Just a second. Guys, just give me 2 minutes. Easy. Mirror URL. Let's search for another URL. So mirror. We see this is Raspberry. Office. Searching for some mirrors in all are from Europe only. India one doesn't work. I will check out this one only. Wait. I will show you how I'm doing that. That will be better for you guys. Okay, I'm searching for WHEEZY Visi. That is Raspberry Visi. Raspberry Visi. Okay. Raspberry Visi mirror. Mirror URL. Okay, Raspberry Visi mirror URL. You will get a Raspberry repositories here. So here I'm taking the first one. Let's see. So University of Oxford should work properly. Here we will do full size. WHE. You have to be very careful, everyone, with this. Let me run it once, then I will give you the full scenario how you will work it out. Same problem. AC.docs is having the same issue. Because maybe the Visi is not connecting. Just let me just search around a bit. Find this downloads. I'm just searching for this link properly. Let me see. Archive Raspberry. That Raspberry. Okay. This Visi library is gone from all the server. Oh. So this VM, what we are running, is running on Visi. Visi is a older version of your normal, older version for your what you say, Raspberry Pi. So I think they are not supporting this anymore. I will just check it out. If we can redirect it. No, that doesn't matter. 2 spaces, 1 spaces doesn't matter. Should be. Yeah, maybe you are right. Let's see. But when I'm doing this, getting stuck there. Not much difference. Yeah. It's issue with Visi only. Visi is the version which is not supporting yet. Yeah, we have to do that. I think I'll check this out tomorrow. So I'll just yeah, Amar, can you send the attendance list? They are all asking.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we'll do this tomorrow. What is the scenario here? Is some issue with the download link itself. I will add up and create a bigger VM which will have all this together, or I will just give you a simple list down how to do that. Okay. So what all we'll do it is next we will install Mosquito on the Raspberry Pi. Okay. Then we'll create some Python codes which will be client of MQTT. Okay. In next class, we have to do a lot of things. Today, we are missing some part. Chandrayaan has landed, but our code is not, or our VM is not landing. Update fix missing. Right, sir? Yeah, we can do that, but see, the problem is that with Visi, this one is out. It's not about that missing thing. Just let me check. Okay. Check if you are insisting. I will try to do this and it's again getting stuck there. That's the issue with this archives, right? It is going into the Raspberry Pi archive for Visi and it's not getting them. We'll check this out. I will check this out for Visi, how we can get this. Okay. So what we'll do is we'll install MQTT. We'll create Python clients for MQTT. So that will be your gateway code. Gateway code will be also a client which will get the data from the devices. And then it will process that data. Processing the data in the sense means we'll create some logic diagrams where this there will be a control. This is like your control code will be there, or we'll create another in this only zero work. It will be to create. We have created dev1 and dev2 today, right? We'll create a dev3 which will actually be an actuator. Our current devices are only sensors, right? D1, D2, Dev1, Dev2 is sensor. Dev3 will create tomorrow. That will be actuated. So the gateway will read the data from subscribe the data from D1 and D2, and it will give instruction to D3. D3 will be connected to, let's say, motors and solenoids. Okay. So this will be your Dev3 for control code. and then we'll have a upload code. Upload code will be something where we will use REST API kind of setups. API, I should not say REST API. We'll use API for HTTP connection. HTTP to cloud. Okay, cloud. What cloud will be? If we complete all this in the next class, then we'll do cloud. Cloud will be simulated by your laptop itself. Okay, where that all everything is running on your laptop. What we have segregated them in different ways. The Python codes which are running, they are simulating the device. The Raspberry Pi which is running on your VM, that's simulating the gateway, and your laptop itself will simulate the cloud. Okay, in the cloud we'll create a server where we can get this data, and we'll create a UI where you can see the data as a this one. Mosquito is a broker. We like what you have here, no 52 dot whatever you write here. Where's my codes? Let's say this one. So you are writing it here, no 52 dot. This is actually an IP address for the broker, which is running on this IP. All subscriptions and publications are done through this one only. Okay. Let me give a try again. I've got one SSH file. Let me see. Mouse dot sh sudo nano mos dot sh. I'm creating a sh file. Let me see if this works. No, it doesn't work like this. Just a second. I will search for this one. Some issues with this. Raspberry Pi mosquito. Just is there. Let me see. I found some SSH. So here they are downloading the repo and all. So let's see if we can use this up or not. See if I can use this. This thing is getting stuck. No session cancel. Let me see if I can do it here only. Such nano mos dot sh. Message is gone. I think my message is gone. Let me reconnect it. Put TNC. Local host 2222. Unable to connect क्या हो गया? Pi, and this is RSPBERRY. Okay, inside this we'll write sudo nano mos dot sh. Paste anything like this. Okay. Yes, enter. Okay, we have run this. So we'll do chmod plus x and sudo. I'm just doing these things. If this works, I will just give you the hint of this now. Doesn't work, I will work on it and I will tell you tomorrow. Okay, so let me see if this works. Okay, sudo file is file. Okay, what I have done is so we'll take it now and paste it out. Delete this. Again, I will paste it and see. Should work properly because it has all the repos and all. Once it works, I will let you guys know. Wait 1 second. Let it delete first. We are trying to download the mosquito first and then doing it because sudo apt is not working directly because of this. Sir, can we create our own IP and connect to MQTT? Yeah, you can. You can create your own IP. Own IP here means you can create a VM. You can take any of the VMs and you can do something like you can install mosquito there. Same, it's coming. Okay, let me check it out. If we can work it around. GC list is there, VZ list is there. Let me see. Yes, I will do that. I'm just trying to do it here. because our VMs, this one is quite old. So I'm trying to do that. Let me see if I can get this repo. Yeah, I'm able to get this repo, I think. So, no, unable to establish SSH connections is already not established. Connected. Okay. That is moved permanently. Search for any other SSL. Let me see this repo is working also or not. Sorry guys, I don't think so. Yeah, no, it's not available. So I will have to search for this busy list. Once I get this, I will tell you all. Okay. Guys, if you want to leave, you can leave or you can wait. Or if you have any doubts, just paste it. I will try to answer it. And in the meantime, if I can get something, I will definitely let you guys know. Getting this repository. This is not working. Just coming from this way. Not very happy with this. Anything what to do next? Guys, you are getting this sudo raspi config certain launch. What happened here? Raspi is not fully configured. Raspi is not fully configured. I think you have not done the SSH. You do sudo sudo. If you are at this point, do sudo sudo. I don't think so. You require this. Once if you are able to connect, Ayush, you are able to connect to Putty. Once this is run, you are able to connect to Putty. Yes, then it's not required. Then your SSH is by default activated, and just anything, no changes you need to do, no configuration other than this for now. Okay. Guys, I just want to understand you guys are able to SSH the Putty, right? Through Putty, you are able to do SSH everyone. Anybody stuck on that part? Please let me know. Yeah, cool. Here you have to write, Ayush, in place of host name, you have to write local host, and port you have to write 2222. Please don't share pictures here. Okay. Getting a mosquito package for this. Okay. We will work it around. We'll see. Okay, guys, I think we have to pack today. I'm not able to find out a mosquito repository for this as of now. I will search from my archives and I will find it out and I will give you as a separate thing so that you can download it. Okay. I will have some old this ones, I think. Okay. Okay, guys, I think I will finish off today. Amar will do a little heavy session next day. I will create some instruction files first of all, and I will give it to you guys beforehand. Host name is local host, no space. And port is 2222. I will share those that document first, and once they install everything up, we'll start working on direct code and architecture structure for the gateway. Okay. Okay, guys. Amar, we can finish the
Yeah.
class for today. Okay.
So guys, if you have any query or question for me, please drop in the chat box. I will take it up for 2 minutes and we'll wind up the session.
Yeah. Guys, you also search how we can install mosquito. If you get time on your thing, you also search. I will also search. If you get any direct repo, it will be good. Otherwise, I have to search for any archive this one, and I have to give you to you in a separate way. If you can get a direct link, it will be upload. Sir, upload these materials in LMS. Yeah, Amar will do that.
So there is one question from Sahil. Sir, how many days are left for end of this class? So we're done with the 12 days.
So we'll go up till Monday.
Yeah, till Monday, right?
Yeah. Let me see if I can emulate. Get a better emulator also. I will check that out. If I can get Jesse is there as one of it. We'll go for Jesse then. Okay, guys, let me try this off once. I will install Jesse and check it out. Okay, we are doing this with VZ, which is quite old, so it's better that we do it with Jesse. I will give you the installation and other things in the next class. I think with Jesse we can do this. Okay. Okay, guys, I will stop the screen share now. I think we can finish the class, Amar.
Yes.
Chalo. Bye, guys. Tomorrow we'll meet at 6. We have to do a little bit catching up. 15 minutes. We have to bridge that 15 minutes which we have lost today in the next class. Okay. Chalo. Bye, guys.
Okay. Thank you so much, all of you, for joining the session. We'll meet you.